Finding the right trimmer or shaver is a daunting task. There is so many options on the market right now, from Philips to Wahl to Sony. Seems like every manufacturer is making a trimmer or a groomer. And I came across Manscaped and I wanted to explore a little bit more on some of the features and benefits and practicality of Manscaped. I think they do a really good job at marketing, but I wanted to give it a test for myself. Let's take a look and see why Manscaped might be better. One thing that immediately stands out about the company Manscaped is their emphasis on men's hygiene and also the fight against testicular cancer. This is something that many of the other competitors don't really seem to play a big part in improving the hygiene and fight against cancer like this company does. They spend a lot of money in research and development and education. So let's look at the newest product that's gaining a lot of popularity, the Lawnmower 3.0, a full body grooming kit. A very stylish trimmer. The kit includes a boxer that's branded by Manscaped, a ball toner, and a ball deodorant. Now this is something that not everyone uses, but it's included as a free gift when you purchase the kit. The box is a really nice fit, it comes in different size, and included right now you're getting a free travel case, which is a really nice bag to throw everything in so you can travel with it. Everything is compact in the packaging. Included is the Manscaped brochure that talks about some of the different products that Manscaped offer for personal hygiene for men, which is useful and something that everyone should consider reading. You may or may not apply to you, but it's also there and useful. Inside the kit, you also get provided with the ball deodorant. There's the bag, which has the nice compact cable, and then you have the trimmer. The trimmer is very lightweight, very compact, nice grip, works in both wet and dry condition. And the bag is really nice. It's branded Manscaped and it has all the cables for charging the trimmer as well as extra blades that you might need for adjusting the trimmer setting. What's really nice is included is a brick, which you can plug directly in the wall, so you don't need to locate a brick, which is very nice and thoughtful of the company to include that. And then inside the bottom part of it, you included inside the travel kit is the free boxer that comes with the purchase of the Manscaped, as well as the travel bag. And this bag is really nice. They also provide this newspaper, which works as a mat, so if you're shaving. Not to be overlooked, the actual trimmer is quite fantastic. Features a lot of technology. One thing that really stands out is the skin safe technology, the ergonomic grip, 7,000 RPM motor, which is good for cutting all different type of hair. It also gives you 90 minutes of battery usage. It does have a ceramic blade, which provides really close cutting edge for your hair, as well as waterproof, which is not available on a lot of trimmer that you can actually use it in both wet and dry condition. And also it has an ergonomic comfort in your hand. It has the rubber texture, which gives you a nice grip while using it. And one thing that really caught my attention is it does have a LED light, which is really nice in case you're shaving and you want those close edges. You're able to use the LED light. In summary, I think this is one of the fantastic gifts for any man out there or boyfriend or admirer to get them. This is very lightweight, it's practical, it's something that you'll use forever, and it has the charger base. You can use it both wet and dry condition, and the kit is pretty fantastic. You do have the ball toner, which I'm not sure if everyone's going to use, but it's still there. Inside the kit, you have the ball deodorant, which may be useful to some folks, as well as the nice travel case, which I gotta say, I really admire the quality and the portability of the travel case. But overall, I think this is a great product. I think this makes a big difference in grooming. Keep in mind, this you can use for grooming your beard, you can use for grooming all bodily hair, and it's really easy to use and has really good revolutions or RPM when it comes to cutting, as well as you can add different blades to it. And I think this is just a fantastic, quick,
solution for grooming. So I give this a thumbs up, and if anyone out there has any other recommendation for a different type of men grooming kit, leave it in the comment below. I will be giving away this pack here to someone. So if you guys are interested in this pack, just like, subscribe, and leave a comment below on why you think this is a great solution, and just send me a notification that you subscribe to the channel, and I will be shipping this out to you guys. Unfortunately, I'm only shipping to the US right now, but if in the future I might be shipping this out international. So there you go, guys. What do you guys think about the Manscaped solution pack? There's so much marketing on this here. I thought it was a great solution. I think every man or boyfriend or husband should have something like this here in their travel kit, and I think it's just something that's affordable and it has a great usability overall. So see you in the next video. Please check out my other videos on different type of reviews on different products. I try to bring a variety of product review to the channel, whether it's Tesla or technology in terms of computers or cameras. All different products are welcome, so I definitely encourage you guys, if you have a product you want me to review, leave a comment below and I will check that out. See you in the next video.